रहा आपका पार्सल।
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a video which is related to COVID-19. Guess I might be a bit late, but then I thought this is the right time to share this particular information related to the online packaging which we receive. Now it is something really important to take care of. Rather than visiting the physical stores, it's better to order online. It can be anything. It can be groceries or vegetables or fruits or anything, any essential things which you need. It can be anything basically, but try to be at home and order things online so that you can go one step ahead in protecting yourself from COVID-19. So guys, before moving on, please subscribe to my channel and also click on to the bell icon to receive further notifications. So there are 3 ways through which you can maintain social distancing with a delivery guy. So the first and the simplest way is to just stick a note on your door, on your flat door, requesting the delivery guy to leave the parcel or the package outside the door or at the door. So through this you can maintain zero contact with the delivery guy, and then later on you can proceed with the sanitization process. The second way is also a simple one, like how I have shown in the video. You can just request the delivery guy to take one step forward and leave the package inside your flat, that is near the door, so that you can pick up the package later and do the sanitization process. And the third way is also going to help you a lot. If in case you have a balcony in your home which is facing a road, then what you can do is just attach a any fabric bag or any cloth bag to a rope and just put the bag down so that the delivery guy can drop in the parcel or the package and you can pull the package up later on. This is also one of the way through which you can have zero contact with the delivery guy, and then you can pick up the parcel and do the sanitization later. So basically by doing any one of these, you are ensuring that you are not going in contact with the delivery guy, and also you're not going in contact with the package directly. So this is the first step towards protection from COVID-19 through the parcels received from online. So once you have received the package, it's all up to you to open the package right away or to keep the package idle for few days. Now in the upcoming clips, I'll be sharing you certain information regarding the duration of the virus on certain materials, that is certain product materials. So guys, if you have received a cardboard package, then trust me, the virus will last on the cardboard for a maximum of 24 hours. So there is nothing to worry. If in case you want to open the package at the earliest, then it's all up to you. If it's not emergency, then you can just let the package lie on one corner of your home in idle state for at least 24 hours, and then you can sanitize and open the package if it is not an emergency. If in case you have some product inside the package which is of utmost need, then you can sanitize and open the package. I'll be sharing the sanitization process in the upcoming clips. If your package is of plastic, then the virus can last in a plastic for 3 days to a maximum of 7 days. You never know. So if in case you are not in urgent need of the product which is inside the plastic package, then you can just leave the package for a maximum of week and then you can sanitize and use it. If in case you are in urgent need, then you can sanitize and use it right away. And similarly, if in case you are receiving a package in a paper, then there are high possibilities, as per the studies, there are high possibilities that the virus can last for a maximum of 4 days. These are certain durations of virus which can last on cardboard, plastic and paper. Now let's get into the video in detail and check out how to sanitize your packages. So to sanitize your parcel, you would require some tissue, sanitizer and a scissor. First try to sanitize your hand before opening the parcel. And once you're done sanitizing, you can use a sanitizer gel or a sanitizer spray to sanitize the package. Here it's a cardboard box, so I'm trying to spray it because I'm going to reuse this box. That's the reason. If in case you don't want to reuse this cardboard box, then you can use sanitizer gel itself. I have a fear that the cardboard may get damaged if I use sanitizer gel. That's the reason I have sprayed it. Now after opening the package, inside I have a plastic cover, so I have sanitized that cover as well. And also I had ordered this Pigeon liquid cleanser, which I have sanitized it using the sanitizer spray. Similarly, if in case you receive a package in a plastic car, then it can also be sanitized in an easy way. Here I have used sanitizer gel, and with the help of a tissue I have wiped the entire package. And also inside there is a bubble wrap, so I have sanitized that as well. I had ordered few books for my son, which I have sanitized using the sanitizer gel on a tissue paper, because you know your baby will touch the book, so it's really important to sanitize it. And after you're done, you can wash your hands, or you can use sanitizer to sanitize your hands. So guys, I really hope that you found this video helpful. This is not something which we have to keep within ourselves. This is the right time to educate the people around you. So please do share this video with your friends and family. And also the information mentioned in the video is up to my knowledge. If in case you are following any other way, or if in case you have any additional information about this topic, then please do mention it or leave a comment in the comment section below, so that I can educate myself, and also you'll get an opportunity to educate the viewers of my video. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Until then, bye bye.